Everybody, Redneck Nation, how is y'all? It's me, T Rail. Man, I came out here catfish, and our lakes have flooded. Y'all know the tree I usually sit and catfish at in my video. Let me show y'all. There it is. That's it. Look, the water's up. I'm usually sitting right there. Look like a swamp in here. I'm still gonna catfish though. Got my worms, my fish, my ugly stick, and looks like I'm gonna have to throw sideways, boom, get in between that tree and that damn bush right there. Go as far out as I can, damn catfish. That's what's going down, man. We rain real hard in the mountains. And it's coming down here to the North Cackalack. Boy, we is flooded. All right, man. It's short and sweet, man. Just wanted to show y'all the flood. And I'm gonna fish the flood. We'll see. Get back to y'all in a few.